You may know me as GabbyBaddd Curly. Welcome to my channel. This is the introduction trailer to my channel that's telling you guys what I do. Come on with this black magic, feel me? Like, okay, I'm kidding. But I have been natural for officially 2 years now. I've been relaxed for at least 12 to 13 years. My whole childhood, basically. On this platform, this is my quote, is if you're looking for a cookie cutter YouTuber, then you are on the wrong channel, sis, because I am far from cookie cutter. My natural hair popping, instrumental popping channel. Okay, we're gonna have fun on her. We're not gonna do no boring video like,
hi, my name is Gabby. Welcome back to my channel, and this is how we do our hair. Yes, girl. Look at my decoration.
we're not here for that. We're here to learn. Not only to learn, we're here to connect and uplift other black girl magic women. We are here to uplift our fellow men who have natural hair also. We can't leave the brothers out either. This is what my channel is about. So if you are interested into following my natural hair journey, or even on my social medias, I'll put right here, then continue watching the rest of my videos. I have a whole playlist on wigs. I have a whole playlist on natural hair, wash and go, even how to do your kids' hair. So if you would like and to follow this journey, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and let's not forget to turn the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I make an upload. And I will see you guys in a new video.